Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create the blur, zoom in and out transitions to your videos in CapCut. So first, just add the clips that you want to edit, then click on the first clip, go to animation, click on the combo tab and find the zoom 1 animation. Okay, this one. Apply these animations to all of the clips. Then click on the check icon, click on this transition box, click on camera and select the pull in transition. Apply it to all. Click on the check icon, then add a blur effect. So go to the video effects, click on lens, blur, and adjust the blur to only 15. Click on the check icon, trim the effect, and put it in between the clips like this. Now copy the effect and put it on the next clips like this, and you are done, and here's the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks below. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.